Hi everyone, welcome back to Let's Learn with Lizzie, where we make exam prep simple and stress-free. Today, we're diving into a super important skill, how to read a prose piece effectively for board exam preparation. Whether it's a short story or a factual essay, these tips will help you analyze, retain, and answer questions like a pro. First, let's talk about the plot and theme. When reading, don't just skim through. Focus on the main idea. What is the story really about? Who are the key characters, where does the story take place, and what major events unfold? Also, try to identify the central message or theme. Is it about friendship, courage, social injustice? This will help you write strong answers when asked about the purpose of the text. Next up, characters. Understand who the main characters are, and more importantly, what drives them. Ask yourself, what are their strengths or weaknesses? How do they grow or change in the story? What relationships do they form? In exams, character-based questions are common, so be ready to describe a character with examples from the text. Moving on to the author's purpose and tone. Why did the author write this piece? Was it to inform, entertain, or maybe to criticize something? Also, listen to the author's voice. Is it humorous, serious, emotional, sarcastic? Understanding the tone helps you read between the lines and tackle inference-based questions confidently. Prose isn't just about storytelling, it's also about style. Pay attention to literary devices like metaphors, similes, personification, and irony. Ask, why did the author use this metaphor here? How does this image affect the reader? These techniques add depth to the writing, and they often come up in 2 or 3 mark questions. As you read, highlight important quotes or lines. They often carry hidden meanings or represent a turning point in the story. Be ready to explain them in context, interpret what they mean, and link them to the theme or character development. Don't just read what's on the surface, infer. For example, if a character avoids eye contact, what does that tell you? Fear? Guilt? These little clues help you analyze deeper meanings, and they really impress examiners when written well. Always practice textual questions. Start with your textbook's exercises, then move on to past year board questions. Structure your answers like this. Intro, right pointing arrow, explanation, right pointing arrow, textual evidence, right pointing arrow, conclusion. This format keeps your answers clear and score-friendly. Lastly, think beyond the text. Can you connect the story to a real-life experience or issue? This kind of reflective thinking is especially useful for value-based and long-answer questions. And that's it. These tips will help you become a smarter reader and a top scorer in your board exams. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exam tips. See you in the next video.